only a few things you need to make donuts.
Flour, eggs, sugar, salt.
You put all the salt and stuff and the flour into a thing, and you
roll out the dough into circles like this. But I didn't have a cookie cutter, so I made one. Like a genius.
Now the instructions say I have to let the donuts rise. But against what? What is holding these donuts back?
Yeah, you got donut holes, donut holes.
Who do they rebel against?
Good night, sweet donuts. Sleep tight. Bolts and holes, bolts and holes. Scary amounts of oil. Yep, look just like donuts. Mixing things in a bowl. Making the thing, putting the thing in the oil, and then you take the thing out of the oil and add it to your rack of other donuts. Sugar is one of your 5 a day. It's very delicious, but you need to use lots of it in order to make the glazy bit, the nice bit. Half a cup of milk, and that just becomes a glaze somehow. I don't believe that, but fuck, that's so cool. Whoa. So this goes in here, right? That's that milk thing and sugar, and then that goes here. That's how they make them. I could have gone to the shop, which is 10-minute walk away, and paid £3, £4 for 2 of these. Instead, I have too many for any amount of humans to eat, and it took me all day. So just think of the time I saved. I'm gonna see if they're nice now. Yeah, that's genuinely quite nice. Yeah! Donuts!
What it's like to make donuts.